Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Christina and I'm going to show you today how I use face contouring to lift my downturned eyes in few simple steps. Step 1. Use concealer to remove any redness or dark circles under the eyes. Step 2. Use a primer color, white or creamy, depends on your preferences, and apply it on the upper eyelid. I'm gonna use a light brown color and this brush to go all around the lash line. And use a fluffier brush, use the same color and go into the crease, while at the same time I build more product in the corner. I just go with the fluffier brush to blend everything out. Now I'm gonna use a darker color using a flat brush, and I'm going to create a V in the outer corner of my eye, starting from the middle of the lower lash, going very sharp upwards, and then highlight this area. And of course I'm gonna smooth that out. And to even emphasize more and lift more the eye, I'm gonna use a very dark color, which is almost like black, in the same brush, and I'm gonna follow the same principle but very lightly. However, this time I want to go very close to the lash line, and from there build and connect to the rest of the eyeshadow. From the middle of the upper lash, where the eye starts going downward, I want to go straight and connect it with the rest of the eyeshadow. Of course, you can blend and smooth that out. I want to pop a bit of highlighter in the center of the upper eyelid. Same in the lower one. And in the inner corner of the eye. And the last step is curling my lashes and using the mascara. And here is another trick. If you want your curls to last, you need to use a waterproof mascara. Otherwise, it's very likely and possible that once you curl the lashes, then they fall by using the mascara.